Dezhou BTE Solar Company Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of Dezhou Jinheng New Energy Company Limited. It was founded in 2009, located in the Sun City, Dezhou, which is an innovative company focused on the field of solar thermal applications and has a number of independently intellectual property rights in core technology. Relying on precise technical strength, we have independently developed the intelligent automatic production lines, and production efficiency has reached the international level. Based on the idea of Industrial 4.0, it has built a global professional solar thermal system in medium and low temperature, like flat plate collector, U-pipe collector, heat pipe collector, and solar water heaters. Now, BTE is not only a manufacturer, also supply different energy-saving solutions to different partners. BTE is an independent brand of BTE Solar Company Limited. We have developed various solar collectors for different working temperature and circumstance. The solar thermal products include flat plate, U-pipe, heat pipe, manifold collector, compact pressurized and non-pressure solar water heater. We have cooperated with many home and abroad enterprises for long-term in solar system. We have been devoting ourselves to research, development, and innovation of solar energy core technology. By creating professional flat plate collector producing base in the world to achieve the dream of green energy and make the world more beautiful.